This transition to employment workshop is for PhD candidates or graduate researchers looking for a role in academia or clinical research. If you would like to secure a role in the highly competitive academic or clinical research fields, then I recommend investing in your career management skills, which is often overlooked by academics in terms of professional development. Through uplifting your career management skills, you should boost your chances of securing a clinical research or academic role, creating a valuable brand for consulting and research engagements, and working with talented people on interesting projects. Career management is not a natural talent, and people who have successful academic careers are not just lucky. To be skilled at career management takes training, tools, and hard work, and to be in the right place at the right time. And the right place to be, if you want to become skilled in career management, is our next Graduate Student Association Transition to Employment Workshop for academics. In this intensive workshop program, you'll learn how to plan your career, design an attractive personal brand, write a standout academic CV, prepare selection criteria, leverage the power of LinkedIn, find great job opportunities, and impress in interviews. It's going to be intensive and oh so valuable. So if you seriously want to have a successful career in academia, sign up to these valuable GSA workshops. Your career, future income, and work-life satisfaction will thank you for it.